February 21st, we're still here looking at the airplanes by the airport. Who works at the airport, Denise? Huh?
Chocolate.
You're talking of the airplanes?
Yes.
No. It's okay, just watch it. Cover your ears. Bliss Grandma? Is Grandma on the airplane?
Yes.
Oh, she works on the airplane.
It's chocolate.
No, Grandma's not chocolate. I'll hold you. Hold my hand. Hold my hand so you're not chocolate, okay? Dada's there taking pictures. Tell me what you're chocolate of.
I think.
Why?
I'm loud.
It's loud? Cover your ears next time. Okay. It's okay. Hold my hand. Let's go find Dada. There's Dada. There's Dada. There's Dada. It's okay, baby. Come on. It's loud, Dada. Okay, close your eyes. Close your ears. Hurry. Hurry, cover your ears. Jump. Hurry, cover your ears.
Come here.
Cover your ears. Okay, no more.
See, Daddy Palo.
Yay, you did it. It's okay, baby.
I'm gonna go closer to that big bird.
Okay. It's okay, baby. Come here, hide by Daddy's camera. Over here, hurry up, hide. Hide, come over here. Hide by Daddy's camera here. Okay. Tell the video what you're doing. Do you want to just watch the birds only?
I'm chocolate. Plane.
No, it's okay. It's just loud.
I'm loud.
The plane's loud. Huh? It's okay. You want to go home now?
Yes.
Okay, let's go home. Say bye to the video.
Bye.
Say bye, Grandma.
Bye, Grandma.
Does Grandma like the airplanes?
Yes.
Does Denise like the airplanes?
I'm chocolate.
Say cheese. Show your teeth and then we'll turn video off. Woohoo! Good job.